In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create refer and earn bot in Telegram. By the end, you'll have a working referral system powered by a Telegram bot. And you won't need to write a single line of code. We'll start right inside Telegram. Search for the official Botfather account. It has a blue check mark, so you know it's the real one, and open a chat. Send the command /new bot to begin. Botfather will ask you for two things: a display name for your bot, which users will see, and a unique username that must end with the word bot. Pick something clear and easy to recognize. Once you confirm those details, Botfather will generate an API token. This token connects your bot to its backend. Store it safely and never share it publicly. You'll need it shortly to link your bot to the referral system. Now let's set up the referral features using a no-code platform so everything works behind the scenes. Go to smartbotland.com and create an account. After signing in, connect the Telegram bot you just made by pasting the API token you saved. This securely authorizes SmartBotland to manage your bot's features without you having to build any servers. With your bot connected, open the bot's dashboard. Navigate to Other Settings, then select Default Submenus. Here, turn on the Invite Friends option to enable the referral flow. This adds a ready-to-use entry point so users can share your bot with their contacts and start generating referrals. Next, customize the invitation message. Keep it short, friendly, and specific about what happens when someone taps the link. Make sure it clearly states that the person should start the bot to be counted as a referral. And mention the benefit in plain words so here is no confusion. Polished wording here greatly improves conversion, so focus on clarity. Finally, configure the number of referrals needed to earn a reward. For example, you might set it so that 5 successful invites unlock a perk. Choose a target that feels achievable for your audience, and make the reward meaningful enough to motivate sharing without overpromising. Consistency matters. Use the same number and wording everywhere in your message, so expectations are aligned. That's it. Thanks for watching.